Every day I listen to my heart in times when I can't see, when my faith is nowhere to be found. I trust the voice in me. So when you're lost, wishing for an angel or a hand to pull you through, when the world is on your shoulder, just trust the voice in you. Every day I listen to my heart when I'm too numb to feel, when my strength is nowhere to be found. I trust the voice in me. Sometimes life moves in mysterious ways.